Quitting Smoking, Tips and Strategies. By Medical ICT Solutions. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing a crucial topic, quitting smoking. We'll explore why it's essential to quit, the benefits of doing so, and how to select the best method for your needs. We'll also touch on various strategies, including nicotine replacement therapy, behavioral therapy, support groups, and Varenicline. So, let's begin this journey together, understanding that it requires commitment and dedication. Why quit smoking? Smoking is a leading cause of preventable death worldwide. It's associated with numerous health problems, such as heart disease, lung cancer, and respiratory issues. Quitting smoking is the best thing you can do for your health, no matter how long you've smoked. Additionally, smoking harms not only the smoker but also those around them through secondhand smoke. By quitting, you protect your loved ones and contribute to a healthier environment for everyone. Benefits of quitting. Let's dive into the amazing benefits of quitting smoking. Did you know that within just 20 minutes of your last cigarette, your heart rate and blood pressure begin to normalize? And it only gets better from there. After 12 hours, the carbon monoxide level in your blood drops to normal, and within weeks, your lung function improves. In the long run, your risk of heart disease, stroke, and various cancers significantly decreases. Plus, you'll save money, smell better, and enjoy improved physical fitness. Choosing the best method. It's important to recognize that quitting smoking is a personal journey, and the method that works best for one person may not work for another. To choose the right approach, consider the following factors. 1. Smoking history. Assess your smoking patterns, such as the number of cigarettes smoked per day and your level of addiction. This information can help you determine which method may be most effective for you. Personal preferences. Consider your personality and lifestyle when selecting a method. If you prefer a more structured approach, a prescribed medication or nicotine replacement therapy might suit you. If you're seeking emotional support and connection, a support group could be ideal. 3. Existing health conditions. Certain methods may be more suitable for individuals with specific health conditions. For example, nicotine replacement therapy might not be recommended for people with heart problems. Always consult your healthcare provider to discuss the best options for your unique situation. 4. Previous quit attempts. Reflect on your past experiences with quitting smoking. What worked for you, and what didn't? This can provide valuable insight into which strategies may be most effective for you moving forward. 5. Financial considerations. Different methods come with varying costs. Assess your budget and choose a method that aligns with your financial resources. Remember, investing in quitting smoking can ultimately save you money in the long run by avoiding the expenses associated with smoking-related health problems. 6. Access to professional support. It's essential to have access to healthcare professionals who can guide you through the quitting process, monitor your progress, and make adjustments as needed. Reach out to your doctor, therapist, or pharmacist for personalized advice and support. By carefully considering these factors, you'll be well on your way to selecting the best method for quitting smoking. Remember, it's important to stay flexible and open-minded, as you may need to try multiple methods or combine different strategies to find the most effective approach for you. Methods and strategies. Now, let's discuss various methods and strategies to help you quit smoking, starting with nicotine replacement therapy, NRT. NRT products, such as patches, gum, lozenges, inhalers, and nasal sprays, provide a small amount of nicotine to reduce withdrawal symptoms without the harmful effects of smoking. Studies have shown that NRT can increase your chances of quitting by 50 to 70%. Another option is Varenicline, a prescription medication that works by blocking the pleasurable effects of nicotine in the brain, reducing cravings and withdrawal symptoms. Clinical trials have demonstrated that Varenicline can be an effective aid for smoking cessation. Behavioral therapy, like cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, addresses the psychological aspects of quitting by helping you identify and cope with smoking triggers. CBT has been proven effective in increasing smoking cessation rates. Lastly, consider joining a support group. Connecting with others who are also trying to quit can provide motivation, encouragement, and understanding. Research has shown that support groups can significantly improve your chances of quitting. Smokers who attend support group meetings have a quit rate of 35%, compared to just 5% for those who don't. You can find local support groups through hospitals, community centers, or online platforms like KitNet. Quitting is a journey. Remember, quitting smoking is a journey that requires commitment and patience. It's important to be kind to yourself and understand that setbacks may occur. Stay dedicated, learn from your experiences, and keep pushing forward. Additional strategies to support your journey include: 1. Set a quit date. Having a specific date in mind helps you mentally prepare and increases your commitment. 2. Tell your friends and family. Informing those close to you about your decision can provide additional support and encouragement. 3. Remove triggers. Clear your home, car, and workplace of cigarettes, lighters, and ashtrays to reduce temptation. 4. Stay active. Exercise can help combat cravings, improve your mood, and boost overall health. 5. Practice relaxation techniques. Deep breathing, meditation, or yoga can help manage stress and reduce the urge to smoke. 6. Reward yourself. Celebrate milestones with non-smoking rewards, like a special treat or a new hobby. By exploring these various methods and strategies, you can find the most effective approach for your unique quitting journey. Remember, the key to success is persistence, dedication, and a willingness to adapt your strategy as needed. Conclusion. As we've explored, quitting smoking brings numerous benefits to your health, well-being, and relationships. With various methods available, like nicotine replacement therapy, Varenicline, behavioral therapy, and support groups, you have the tools to conquer this habit. We encourage you to reach out to healthcare professionals and support networks to help you through this process. Quitting smoking is one of the most impactful decisions you can make for your health and the health of those around you. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences, so feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, we wish you the best on your journey to a smoke-free life.